there's just a certain crop that like gets drawn over to Airblaster because you see the videos, you see the people, the logo, and it's always the same. Like these people having fun and they're still doing sick tricks. And it is just like this very attractive vibe.
Her kör ibland så blir det så knäppt.
Ja, det bara du kommer så mycket av det.
Enough so we can go in the forest. Oh yeah, look over there.
A definition of the Airblaster vibe? I don't know. That's a tough question, but I feel like everybody's just so stoked on snowboarding. You know, ride all day, watch snowboard videos all night, and then repeat that.
What we're talking about. You got it, jib it.
Jib it! Everything is a jib. This tree, that's a jib.
Oh,
Build and jump!
Jackson Hole, baby.
Mount Hood.
Oh,
Where do you click in?
Only what do you
Boreal.
Boreal, local as fuck.
Wow, brought that out to the conch.
Just a couple of slips, some body heat, a little pack down, and then we're rocking. Way out. I'm coming in, Tucker. Just getting some body heat on it, Log. Just a sec.
We're giving her a little love. That's funny.
Airblaster vibe is just like togetherness, I think, and it's people shredding wherever they are, whatever resort, whatever conditions, or whatever equipment. Use your snowboard to like have as much fun as possible.
down. I like that.
That was sick.
Sorry, just one of my fans, not from snowboarding. I actually am part of a John Deere fan club, so we meet once a month. That's something else.
Ja, ja, vi snakker norsk. Men kos dere, det er ikke stress. Ikke tenk på det.
Ted Borland is now a filmer instead of a pro rider, as you can tell. Wow, Freddie Perry with the Norwegian tornado. Tucker and
What?
What's so hard about the S-rail?
I don't know.
I'll go 2 for 2.
oh my God! Hole 7, the trick thought to be undoable, just done. Hole 4, Nick Dirks. Switch 50. Back to switch, he does it, incredible. He will be tattooing anyone at the house who wants one later, that is a fact. Ted Borland, professional rail rider, going on the kegs. Oh, reminding everybody he's not just a filmer. Frontside nose press, backside 180 out.
Front nose press, back 1.
Big front lip tap, Logie B, one of Ben's finest.
I got 100 clams on Big Lenny. Handsome guy from Europe rolls into town. No wonder he's gonna take the contest. It's a little tricky!
Yeah, well. Now that is the kind of erection. Wow. Okay, quick commentary there, and that was fast. That's how we do it here at Sculf. Dangerous commentary, okay?
Mended.
Just
Okay, Sculp's over.
scuffs over. Everybody's so smoked.
Nope, it's not. We haven't even gone to skee ball. We haven't even gone to meadows.
We ain't even gone to skee ball.
We ain't even gone over skee ball.